Taiwan is known for their beef noodles, xiaolongbao, boba tea, Taiwanese sausage, scallion pancakes, and stinky tofu. Have you heard of large intestine and oyster noodles? Because I haven't, and I'm trying this for the first time. So I'm here at Chen's Noodles. This is just across Papa Whale near Ximending. So for 90 NTD, you'll get a bowl of steaming hot miswa, or also known as egg noodles, a generous scoop of plump, freshly blanched oysters. Oh my goodness. A big scoop of asado large intestines that are sliced thinly. Then they will drizzle it with soy sauce. But it's not the salty kind of soy sauce. It's more on the sweet, fermented tasting soy sauce. And then they will ask you if you want it spicy or not. So I wanted it spicy, and I saw them drizzle this. It's like a Szechuan peppercorn chili oil topped with a generous amount of cilantro, or I think this is one soy. Ay, one soy pala and cilantro are iisa lang. It's just Tagalog, kaya one soy. It's a small store. You can take out what you ordered or you can dine in. There's only 3 small tables. And on the side of the garden, you will see that they have like a table, pero tatayo ka. It's so fun to eat here kasi the streets are clean and there is a garden right beside it. Parang public garden siya. It feels like you're in Binondo pero mas malinis na version yung paligid. Ito na, titikman na natin mga kamari chef. So it's very sticky, very thick, and it's very hot. So you have to be very, very careful. Baka mawalan ka ng panlasa pag nasunog yung dila mo. Okay, round 2. So the large intestine tastes like asado. Na-notice ko yung mga pagkain dito is not high in sodium. Tasty but not salty. The oysters are really fresh. So, hindi siya malansa. Matamis at pumuputok-putok sa bibig ko. Oh my goodness, ang sarap niya talaga! Mapapatingin ka sa malayo, tas feel na feel mo na nasa ibang bansa ka. Ganun yung pakiramdam niya! Tapos, the egg noodles taste different. Yung egg noodles kasi natin sa Pinas, or yung miswa natin, is a little bit salty. This one is more eggy. Eggy yung lasa niya. But it's not the malansa kind of eggy na taste. Parang alam mo lang na egg noodle siya, ganun. Tapos kailangan mo talaga pumikit pag kumakain ka para feel na feel mo yung sarap. Mababa lang yung upuan namin, pero ang saya ng pakiramdam. Ewan ko ba, ang babaw ko. And every day I eat 1 Taiwanese sausage just so that I can try everything kasi iba-iba yung lasa niya per stall. This one is giving off ngoyong. Matapang yung 5 spice niya. Mas masarap yung mga nandun sa Ximending na inihaw talaga. So, ayun lang mga kamari chef. Bye-bye!